Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at what I made from the January bargain bead box. And the theme of this month's box is romance. And I think the theme lends well with the pieces that I made. And if you're not a member of the bargain bead box, I'll leave a link below where you can order it and use coupon code JewelryArt, one word, and get $2 off your first box. Yeah, so let's just get started. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. That way you don't miss any of the videos or the new pieces of jewelry or tutorials that I put out. And it helps me as well. It's a mutual beneficial thing. Alright, enough talking. Let's look. Alright, so which do I want to look at first? I'm going to include, get down baby, I'm going to include pictures on a bust so you can see what it looks like and how you wear it, this piece. So I made a layering set, or you know, it's sweet because I made earrings too, but it's so long that it's going to be hard to get it all in here. So I'm going to do my best. There we go. So this is just one long layering piece made with the beautiful beads that we got this month in the box. All right. So as you can see, I use this component. It's kind of asymmetrical because it sits on one side. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture of this stacked on a bust so you can see what I'm talking about right now. Okay, so I use this just as a decorative element, okay? And this part will be, unless you want to just leave it just a really long piece, you can also wrap this once at the top. It's hard to do without a bust. You can wrap it with at the top and make like a choker style, you know, at the top, and then this comes down, drapes down over the chest to about right below, I'd say, your breast area. So I'll tell you what beads I used besides this component, and I did cut the loop off this component right here so I could use it the way I wanted to. Then Purple Adventurine. These colors just, doesn't it look romantic? I really feel like these colors really, they named the box well. So Purple Adventurine, chain. We'll also use this little decorative, they called them metal bicones. There. Chain, and I also used the decorative bicones here on this faceted rectangle crystal, and then I used these links, the flower links, with a agate cherry, well, it's a crackled agate and it's dyed to a cherry red. Then another component, and then I just came down, Purple Aventurine, and then these gorgeous, these with the pink in them, these, what was it, enamel covered beads. Okay, all these beads really blend well, I believe. And then another purple aventurine came up. So I used the purple aventurine, the enamel beads, crystals, the metal bicones, crackled agate, and chain, this component, and then for the closure, I used the toggle clasp that we got in the box. Alright, so that's the outer portion of the layering necklace. You know, well, you saw it on the bust. On the outside, that goes on the outside, it's the longest piece. And then on the inside, I made, basically use the same colors. Here. And used, let me turn it this way, I guess. Okay. I used the enamel beads, the rectangle crystals, and the crackle agate just to get that flow of colors. And I left that space blank, but I may get a flat back to put in there. And then I used the little dangles, the little charms or drops, whatever they're calling them, as dangles. I didn't want all that color, like a bunch of different colors, or these big beads hanging down. And this gives the piece movement. These little dangles gives it movement. And then I use that beautiful quartz, that dyed quartz drop right in the center. And it really blends well with the colors. And I love this set. I love it. It does look romantic. That would be gorgeous with like a white sweater. And this down the front, decorating around your face, down your chest. And then here's the earrings. Okay, just simple. Using that. Using that flower connector. The crackle agate, the metal bicones, and the crystal rectangle. Okay. And my own ear wire. And then there's the second one. Oops, you can't see, but there's the two of those. I just love this component on this, with this whole set. It just really adds that creative touch. Really, really just sets off this whole set of, or suite of jewelry. Okay, what did I want to do? Did you guys need to zoom in on anything like the necklace? Or the, the center necklace? Let's see. And then there's the component with the chain close up. And we'll zoom back out. It's really hard to show in the little, 8 inches of screen. But I will put up the pictures on the bust once again. So you can take a good look. I can't wait to wear this. I cannot wait. Okay, it's, you know, I like a lot of the things that I make, but I like everything I make, actually, because I make it because I like it. But there's pieces that I make that I just adore and I love, and, you know, my favorites. And it has a lot to do with what they send us each month, what products I'm using. You know, this was a great box. This box inspired me and made me want to work with it. And now I've got beautiful pieces of jewelry that I'm going to enjoy wearing for a long time to come. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.